Perdita Weeks is looking back at her time on Magnum P.I. with great fondness now that the series has wrapped after 5 seasons. The crime drama, which premiered in 2018 and ended Wednesday, January 3rd, featured Jay Hernandez stepping into the role of private investigator Thomas Magnum, the character previously made famous by Tom Selleck in the original 80s series. Weeks starred as Juliette Higgins, a former MI6 agent who becomes Magnum's partner before things turn romantic. The series also starred Zachary Knighton, Amy Hill, Betsey Phillips, Kang and Stephen Hill.